Okay, I'm making a fire for the meat. We have a little dining room there. We have a little, whatchamacallit, kitchen where we wash the dishes. And the baby is asleep. Poor baby, she played so much today. My beautiful baby. And this is the big baby. She's growing prettier. Her legs are thicker. Why is she blocking her face? I don't know why. She's gonna have thick legs and thick butt, just like daddy. Okay. And lots of people, lots of families. Okay. That's her beach stuff. We carry the cards. What, baby?